Recently I've been working this Campeche chair, which is shown in the background. It's now glued up. It hasn't been finished. It hasn't been shaped and filed uh, and scraped and so on, sanded and finished. I'll need to do that before I actually fasten the seat leather. Now, here is the model that I created in SketchUp, and this has all the details of joinery and so on. But in the last page I modeled up the seat leather, and then I flattened it in SketchUp so that I would know the dimensions that are needed for that leather, for that hide. And yesterday I went into San Francisco and bought a hide that was actually almost twice as long as what I needed. Part of it's on the floor, and then I roughed out a piece that is now clamped into the back. I'm just pre-fitting this seat leather. I won't fasten it until I've actually done the complete finishing of the wood of the walnut before. Now, I had to create another template to shape the top of that leather and cut it out with a knife, and then I roughed out the width, and I've begun to very closely fit that leather down lower in the seat, and I'll show you more detail of that in a close-up view.